Our world now is deeper than before. We do something above our limit. Seeing kids, having kids are not new today for us. We now have computers, cell phones that expose us on videos, movies, and reading materials about sexuality. We have internet that can also expose us in a lot of pornographic websites. According to study, 7 out of 10 teenagers had already their first sexual encounter. A lack of awareness of the consequences of sex, having little time to family for communication, involved in long-term relationships, depressed, drug and alcohol addict, having curious feeling on about sex, about sensation of sex, and lack of spiritual life lead us to commit sex. We didn't mind that it has an effect on our studies, destroys our personality, and abuses our holy body. And in the end, we realize that our body and soul are gone. Teenagers are getting worse. We should do something. We should expose on educational books, movies, videos, and use the internet for educational purposes. Our parents also have a big role on us. They should always have healthy communication, reminds us to dream high and focus on it, and encourage us to go to church with the whole family. In there, we will know how sacred our body and soul is.